Dear King, we do not find any reason that the demigods should feel insulted or neglected in any way, but still the demigods who are witnesses for the sacrifice do not accept their shares. We do not know why this is so. It is indicated herein that if there is negligence on the part of the priest, the demigods do not accept their share in sacrifices. Similarly, in devotional service there are offences known as seva aparadha. Those who are engaged in worshipping the deity, Radha and Krishna, in the temple should avoid such offences in service. The offences in service are described in the Nectar of Devotion. If we simply make a show of offering services to the deity, but do not care for the seva aparadha, certainly the Radha-Krishna deity will not accept offerings from such non-devotees. Devotees engaged in temple worship should not, therefore, manufacture their own methods, but should strictly follow the regulative principles of cleanliness, and then offerings will be accepted.